tomatoes. This is our tomato sauce. Anybody who makes pizza and this is the first time following us, we're gonna throw away our grandmother's recipe. Sorry, Grandma, but sorry, we're gonna discard that for pizza making. And we're gonna find our favorite can of tomatoes. Today we're using crushed, organic, Bianco da Napoli tomatoes. These are already crushed. And all I'm gonna do, drum roll please, I'm gonna open up the can and I'm gonna add sea salt. Very skillfully, right? I got my can open and now I'm gonna add about 10 grams of sea salt. Again, this measurement isn't critical. If you like salt, add a little bit more. If you don't, add less. 10 grams go in. Take a spatula, GIR, shout out to my friends at GIR. These are awesome, by the way. And just give it a little mix. That is my tomato sauce. Careful now, I spilled a little bit here.